Your immune system is the body's defense mechanism against disease, and it consists of cells that either act like foot soldiers, being the first ones in the scene to respond, or like cavalry, providing additional support. I'm Julia Salafranca from the University of Oxford, and I study neutrophils, which are the most common type of immune cells in the blood.
They're the foot soldiers, kickstarting the immune response.
The function and shape of neutrophils changes during their life cycle from round balls, horseshoe, and lobes, but scientists don't really fully know why.
My research is trying to understand this shape-shifting behavior. I have discovered that certain genes and functions can be linked to different stages of the maturation process.
As immature neutrophils are present in many diseases like sepsis, cancer, and autoimmune conditions, understanding how their functions change is important for developing better disease therapies.